If you're not sure what's today's lunch, and as usual, you're searching or scrolling over your mobile, then stay tuned. Hello beautiful people! My name is Mark, I'm a chef, I live in the Emirates, and I'm always seeking for the best gems around the world. If this is your first time here and you want to discover great food or learn expert cooking tutorials, subscribe now and click on the bell so you don't miss anything. Oh my god, it's too hot today. So, me and my wife, apparently she knows a good Mexican restaurant in Abu Dhabi. So babe, what's the name of the restaurant?
Burro Blanco.
We're gonna see if the food is good, if it's worth it. So, you know, I'm really curious. It's been a while I didn't find a good Mexican restaurant in the country, to be honest. Babe, grab this. Grab the keys. It's not easy to find a parking everywhere, so it takes some time. You know, there's nothing more beautiful than discovering new gems around the world. And for the time, I live in Abu Dhabi, and I'm always looking for something new. Babe, how did you know about this restaurant, by the way?
I saw some Mexican people that were commenting on Best Buys on Facebook.
Hola!
Yes, about this place.
So let's check it out. Let's hope this restaurant is worth it. All right? You say you have the best Mexican food in the country. What do you think?
Yes, we are the best.
You choose. I eat everything.
Okay.
Make me the best sandwich that you have.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah. But still, I need your help, sir. If you want chicken or beef.
Whatever you want. I literally eat anything. I have no issues with anything at all.
Okay. Spicy?
A bit spicy for me.
So I give you, sir, a burrito with lime rice, with black beans, guacamole, cheese and sour cream, grilled adobo chicken, and little bit spicy for you.
All right. And one question: which bread do you use? It's a corn flour or is it
it's
flour
flour, sir.
tortilla?
Flour.
All right, no flour. And by the way, my wife have a few observations. Babe, what?
Yeah, so you can take the speaker bag.
All right.
And you can simply choose what you want.
All right.
Yes, and then they will simply put burrito inside.
So first of all, what can I tell you? The sandwich looks massive. It's huge. Babe, what do you think? Huge, no? Oh my god, it's very big. So let's dig in and see how does it taste like. Oh my god, man, the sandwich is so big. Babe, you gonna try it? Let's go. Chin chin, let's go. Give me a second, give me a second. Oh my god, that's so good. By the way, the one I have chosen was a bit spicy. And it had rice, it had beans, it had chicken, it had guacamole. And I can say that the products are very fresh and it's very nice. For a burrito sandwich, guys, you should definitely try it. And to be honest, I'm not advertising any restaurant. I'm honestly giving my own opinion. This sandwich is really exquisite, and if you're really hungry and you feel like having a quick sandwich, and babe, how much was it for?
100 something, 100 dirham.
So it's 100 dirham for 2 sandwiches, so it's 50 dirhams per sandwich. I think the price is affordable, it's acceptable, it's a proper meal, you're on the run, you have something to do, you want to pass by and have a sandwich, have a burrito. Did you ever try a Mexican Coca-Cola? Well, this is my first time. Well, it's not bad. It's a bit lighter than the classical Coca or Pepsi. I think it have less sugar, but it's not bad. I like it. And by the way, if they can't find a small spot next to the shop where you can have the sandwich, that would be beautiful. Guys, we'll see you soon. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you have something in mind, please let us know. We can go and visit it, me and Aziza. Have a lovely day.